I think we should start with the capital you've just raised. How are you going to put it to work?
Yes, good morning. So we are going to be expanding to try and meet our mission of making the world happier and healthier. We're going international. We're looking to acquire a lot more content and build out the hundreds of hours of audio we already have, looking for acquisitions and basically just accelerating the growth.
I think one of the most interesting things to me in looking at this news today is the fact that you're already turning a profit. Talk to us about the business model and how you expect that to grow.
Yeah, it's a pretty extraordinary business. You know, we quadrupled revenue last year and we are profitable. So that's pretty unusual. And it's just an amazing business, great margins. And people genuinely love the content we create. It changes lives. It helps people fall asleep. It helps people get balance and perspective by learning meditation. And so we have about 40 million downloads at the moment, but that's barely 1% of the smartphones in the world. So we think there's huge, huge upside to continue growing.
Michael, what are the drivers of your business? I mean, crazy headlines, perhaps? Brexit? Political turmoil? What causes people, beyond the installed base of smartphone users, which I guess is a necessity for you, what causes people to download and engage with this over time?
Yes, so in the early days, I think people thought we were a bit crazy. You know, mindfulness and meditation felt like a bit of a niche. Would people really pay for it? But my goodness, the world needs this. The world is not getting any less stressed. We lead these always-on, accelerated lives, screens everywhere. So the ability for people to learn how to understand their own mind, to get a bit of balance and perspective, to sleep better, is really, really valuable. So many people, well over 1 million now, pay our $70 a year subscription, and that's growing very, very rapidly.
Michael, a lot of focus right now on Apple's App Store with this case in front of the Supreme Court, this debate about the 30% fee for initial subscriptions of apps. How do you think about it?
Yes, so you know, Apple is an incredible platform, as is Google, and but it is quite a big fee. So we would rather pay less, and yeah, we're going to be watching that with great interest. But yeah, huge fans of what Apple and Google have done, building out this ecosystem in the first place.
But put a finer point on it. I really want to know, do specific events drive downloads a call or usage of it?
Yes, we do see bumps when stressful things are happening in the world. The biggest drivers for us, though, is whenever we launch new premium content. So we launched a sleep story the other day with Matthew McConaughey, which has been very, very well received. We've had over 100 million listens of our sleep stories now. And like Spotify, we believe in audio. We think this is a very rapidly growing area. So we're going to be adding more talent to the app and more content over the next few months.
Long-term plans for the company? Would you like to see it go public? Acquisition? Something else?
Yeah, so again, we think this can be a multi-billion-dollar business. And who knows what the future holds, but an IPO in the future could well be on the cards. We're very, very ambitious as a team. There's only 50 of us at the moment, so I think we need to bulk up a little bit. We need a CFO first, so if anyone's watching, hit me up.